Printing with Lino on Pantyhose by Melanie Brummer. To print on pantyhose, I first cover a mannequin leg with something soft like an old blanket. This padding will help with ink transfer. Then I stretch the pantyhose over the mannequin leg, ready for printing. I use the flexible rubber lino for printing so that I can press it with my hands into the curves. Free-shaped stamps are easier to use than square ones, which are impossible to line up across all the curves. I use a quality acrylic screen printing ink for fabrics. I heat set the ink carefully using a hairdryer, being careful not to scorch the pantyhose. I take my time with this process. When I heat set a delicate fabric, I compensate with time when I am unable to push the heat up. I make sure to hand wash the pantyhose in lukewarm water when they need to be washed. This extends the lifespan of the print because these inks are ideally suited to cotton and other plant-based fibers. I use coarser pantyhose that have better absorption rather than very sheer ones that are shiny. If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy learning with me on Patreon. You will find me at www.patreon.com/dye and prints.